vehicle? Check out the 2019 Journey. Dodge Journey combines the practicality of an SUV with the comfort of a car, all while boasting a style all its own. The Journey's optional third-row seat, along with innovative features like a chilled beverage cooler and in-floor storage bins, make it a good and affordable alternative to a traditional minivan and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, leather-wrapped steering wheel, overhead console, panic alarm, passenger vanity mirror. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.